Disasters don't give warnings. They happen when you least expect them. Whether it's a wildfire, a hurricane, or a sudden blackout, emergencies test our readiness and resilience. But here's the good news. Being prepared isn't about fear. It's about confidence. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare yourself and your loved ones for the unexpected. From planning to packing, and even practicing essential skills, we're going to cover practical strategies that you can start applying today. No matter where you live or what challenges you might face, these tips will help you stay ready, resourceful, and resilient when it matters most. Everything starts with mindset. In an emergency, staying calm and thinking clearly is the key to survival. Panic clouds judgment, so train yourself to approach challenges methodically. Start small. Practice deep breathing exercises to stay grounded in stressful moments. Visualize potential emergency scenarios. What would you do during a house fire? How about a sudden evacuation? Mentally rehearsing your responses builds confidence and prepares you to act effectively under pressure. Remember, survival is as much mental as it is physical. Cultivate adaptability by learning to evaluate situations quickly and act decisively. The more you prepare mentally, the more likely you'll stay calm when things get tough. A solid plan is your foundation. Begin by assessing your risks. Are you in a flood zone? Do you live in an area prone to earthquakes or extreme weather? Tailor your emergency plan to address the most likely threats. Write down essential details like evacuation routes, emergency contacts, and a safe meeting point for your family. If you have pets, include a plan for their safety as well. Practice your plan regularly. Yes, that means doing mock drills. Familiarity breeds confidence. Make sure everyone in your household knows what to do, whether it's calling for help, turning off utilities, or evacuating. Remember, a good plan isn't just a backup. It's a proactive tool to keep you safe. When time is of the essence, your go bag is your lifeline. Think of it as a portable survival kit that keeps you self-sufficient for at least 72 hours. Here's what you need. Pack bottled water and high-energy, non-perishable foods like protein bars or canned goods. Include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and personal medications. A flashlight, multi-tool, extra batteries, and a fire starter are must-haves. Keep copies of ID, insurance, and emergency contacts in waterproof containers. Don't forget some cash. ATMs might not work. Add hygiene supplies, extra clothing, and items specific to your needs, like glasses or baby supplies. Store your go bag somewhere accessible and make sure it's easy to grab in a hurry. Regularly check and refresh the contents to ensure everything is in working order. Your gear is only as useful as your ability to use it. Learn and practice these basic survival skills. Whether it's using matches, a lighter, or a fire starter, practice creating and maintaining a fire. Know how to use water purification tablets or a portable filter. In a pinch, boiling water is the safest method. Take a basic first aid course to learn how to treat wounds, perform CPR, and handle other medical emergencies. Learn how to read maps and use a compass. Technology can fail, but these skills won't. These skills aren't just useful, they're empowering. Practice regularly so you're ready to rely on them if the need arises. In any crisis, information is your lifeline. Keep a battery-powered radio or a hand-crank emergency radio to receive weather alerts and updates when other communication methods are down. Familiarize yourself with local emergency apps or systems and subscribe to alerts in your area. Staying informed helps you make better decisions and stay ahead of rapidly changing conditions. No one survives alone. Building connections with neighbors, friends, and local groups can make a world of difference. Communities that work together can pool resources, share knowledge, and provide mutual support. Get involved in local preparedness groups or attend workshops to enhance your skills and contribute to a stronger community. Let's review. A survival mindset keeps you calm and focused. A personalized emergency plan ensures you're ready for specific risks. A well-stocked go bag keeps you self-sufficient. Practical survival skills like fire starting and first aid make you resourceful. Staying informed and building community ties rounds out your preparedness toolkit. Together, these steps create a powerful defense against the unexpected. Start preparing today. Create your emergency plan, assemble your go bag, and practice those critical skills. Share this video with your friends and family to help them get prepared too. Survival isn't about luck, it's about readiness. Take that first step now because being prepared means staying safe.